Welcome back to Tools Inspector. Let's check out 15 insane Amazon car gadgets every driver will wish they had sooner. Number 1. OBD 2-gauge display, heads-up display P6. Imagine seeing your car's most important information floating right on your windshield while you drive. This smart OBD2 heads-up display shows real-time speed, RPM, water temperature, and other vital engine data without taking your eyes off the road. It connects directly to your car's OBD2 system and GPS for accurate readings. The bright digital display adjusts automatically for day and night visibility. It even includes overspeed warnings to keep you driving safely. Number 2. Tymate TM8 Solar Tire Pressure Monitoring System. A flat tire can ruin your entire trip, but this wireless TPMS makes sure you always stay one step ahead. The Tymate TM8 continuously monitors your tire pressure and temperature in real time. Its solar-powered display mounts easily on the windshield and shows clear, colorful readings. The system includes 4 external sensors and 6 different alarm modes for leaks, high pressure, or overheating. Installation takes only minutes with no complicated wiring required. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster 20V Cordless Car Vacuum. Keeping your car interior spotless becomes effortless with this powerful cordless vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster delivers strong suction that easily removes dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from seats and carpets. Its extendable crevice tool reaches deep into tight spaces like between seats and door panels. Number 4. E-HEELP Electric Car Jack. Changing a tire on the side of the road can be exhausting and even dangerous with a manual jack. This electric car jack lifts your vehicle automatically with the push of a button. Powered directly from your car's 12V outlet, it can raise vehicles up to 3 tons within seconds. The kit includes everything you need for roadside emergencies in one compact case. Its lifting range easily supports most sedans and SUVs. When you're stuck with a flat tire, this gadget can feel like a lifesaver. Number 5. UTRAI Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Getting stranded with a dead battery is something every driver fears, but this powerful jump starter solves that problem instantly. The UTRAI portable jump starter delivers up to 4,000 A of peak current, strong enough to start large gas and diesel engines. It also includes a built-in 150 psi air compressor for inflating tires anytime. The device doubles as a fast-charging power bank for phones and gadgets. An emergency LED light adds extra safety during night breakdowns. Number 6. USB Car Diffuser Flame Humidifier. Long drives become far more relaxing with the right atmosphere inside your car. This USB car diffuser releases a cool, aromatic mist that keeps the cabin fresh and comfortable. Its unique flame-style LED lighting creates a cozy ambient glow at night. Simply add a few drops of essential oil to enjoy calming or energizing scents while driving. The compact design fits easily in most cup holders. Number 7. BMK 200W Car Power Inverter. Your car can become a mobile charging station with this powerful 200W inverter. It converts your vehicle's 12V DC power into 110V AC electricity, allowing you to run laptops, cameras, or small appliances. 2 AC outlets and 4 USB ports give you plenty of charging options for multiple devices. The quick charge ports ensure your gadgets power up faster than standard car chargers. Built-in safety protection prevents overheating or overloading. Number 8. AUTOPHIX 3210 Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. When your check engine light suddenly turns on, this smart diagnostic scanner helps you understand exactly what's wrong. The AUTOPHIX 3210 connects wirelessly to your smartphone and reads your vehicle's diagnostic codes in seconds. Using its companion app, you can see detailed explanations and monitor engine data in real time. It works with most vehicles built after 1996 without any subscription fees. The scanner is small enough to keep in your glove box at all times. Number 9. Teeran Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Plugging your phone into your car every time you drive can get annoying fast. This wireless CarPlay adapter instantly converts your factory wired Apple CarPlay system into a fully wireless experience. Once connected, your iPhone automatically links to the car whenever you start the engine. You can use navigation, music, calls, and messages without touching a cable. The mini plug-and-play design makes installation incredibly simple. Number 10. SURDOCA Car Seat Organizer. If you travel with kids or passengers often, this back seat organizer can be a game changer. It attaches to the back of your seat and provides multiple pockets for snacks, toys, chargers, and travel essentials. The built-in tablet holder keeps passengers entertained during long drives. Durable materials protect your seats from scratches, spills, and dirt. Its smart design keeps everything neatly organized and easy to reach. Number 11. It may look simple, but these silicone cup holder inserts can make a big difference inside your car. They prevent drinks from sliding around while driving and protect the cup holder from spills and sticky messes. The anti-slip design keeps bottles and cups stable even on rough roads. Cleaning them is easy. Just remove and rinse with water. The set includes 4 universal coasters that fit most vehicles. Number 12. Foldable Windshield Sun Shade. Parking your car under the sun can turn the interior into an oven within minutes. This foldable windshield sunshade blocks harmful UV rays and dramatically reduces heat buildup. The custom design fits snugly across the windshield for maximum coverage. When not in use, it folds quickly for easy storage. On hot summer days, this simple gadget makes getting back into your car much more comfortable. Number 13. Digital GPS Speedometer HUD. Some vehicles have small or hard-to-read speedometers, especially during night driving. This large digital GPS speedometer displays your speed clearly on a bright 5.5-inch screen. Because it uses GPS, it works with almost any vehicle without connecting to the engine system. The display also includes trip meters, overspeed alerts, and fatigue driving reminders. Number 14. Fix-A-Flat Emergency Tire Inflator. Imagine fixing a flat tire in minutes without even removing the wheel. Fix-A-Flat sprays a special sealant and air directly into the tire to temporarily repair punctures. It's perfect for emergencies when you're far from a repair shop. The eco-friendly formula is designed to be safe for tire sensors and rims. Using it takes only a few seconds, and you can drive to the nearest service station afterward. Every driver should keep one of these in the trunk just in case. Number 15. Ceeniu Solar UFO Car Air Freshener. This futuristic car air freshener looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Powered by solar energy, the top section slowly rotates when sunlight hits it. Inside, you can add your favorite fragrance oils to keep your car smelling fresh all day. The premium aluminum design adds a stylish touch to your dashboard. It works silently without batteries or charging cables. It's a perfect blend of design, fragrance, and clever technology. These Amazon car gadgets can upgrade comfort, safety, and convenience in ways you never expected.